I will give you reward.
Really?
Yes, look guys. I will give you reward. So I will give Kartik
1,000?
1,000 rupees.
Mabuhay Philippines!
Namaste India! Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs!
Please subscribe to our channel!
Like and share! Salamat!
Hello guys.
Hello guys!
Bayaw Kartik, are you ready today?
Yes, I'm ready to eat.
Okay, so today guys, we are doing mukbang. So I am challenging Bayaw Kartik to eat pizza.
Oh.
So do you think how many boxes of pizza are you going to eat?
I'm two.
Two only?
Large, yeah.
Oh my god.
Large.
Large. Maybe I'm three. Three boxes. Let's see.
I
Yeah?
said four.
So you're taller than me and bigger than me. So
Yeah.
let's see who will win. This is fights against Philippines and India.
Yeah.
Both guys, I want to ask you guys, both you eat breakfast? Do you eat
I eat
breakfast?
just, I don't eat much breakfast always. Just one chapati and tea. How about Kartik? Did you prepare for this?
Yes, I'm prepared for this time.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yeah, one chapati
One
only.
chapati only,
I'm very
okay.
hungry for now.
Oh, I got you
Alright.
hungry now. Okay, let's see who will win, huh? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Our mukbang is starting na, Kartik.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm very exciting.
This
for
is
your channel.
okay, huh?
Yeah.
Make sure you will beat me, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm all give to you.
Alright. So guys, yan ang farmhouse ang in-order namin.
Yes.
And we have garlic
Garlic
bread. So, come on. Let's start eating na guys. Mukbang with Bayaw Kartik.
Yes.
Okay. You don't want ketchup?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you like pizza?
Yes, like this.
Really?
Really.
Anyway, you like food. So let's start this ketchup. We have this. I like this Kartik. Guys, this is seasoning, very good. Oregano seasoning, and this is chili flakes.
But I don't like chili.
Really?
Yeah.
I like not so many, just little bit. Spicy and oregano. Guys, very masarap ang pizza, farmhouse. Here all vegetable pizza, no meat. Okay?
Yes.
So let's start na Kartik.
Yes.
Cheese!
Yeah.
Guys, pizza, okay?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Mamma mia. Yung tissue.
Very yummy. Yeah.
Yummy? Especially, it's free. So, Kartik is in condition to eat today. He didn't eat breakfast, just
Yeah.
one chapati.
Yeah. Only for one chapati, guys.
How do you like this Domino's pizza?
Yeah, I like it.
Very tasty. Guys, kain na guys. Sige, Kartik, kain na guys.
Hello, kain na, guys.
My God. How can I eat 2 boxes? Look, it's big pizza.
Good pizza.
But Kartik, he said 4 boxes.
Yeah. Small and large. Total and four.
Anyway, this is medium.
Medium.
Size medium. All vegetable. My God.
Very yummy, guys.
So guys, how you doing?
Yeah.
We are enjoying. Eating is our hobby.
So I think so. Who will break the record today? You? Because we don't eat breakfast today.
And he is tall.
He's tall.
But let's see. You know, Filipino are good eater as well.
Yeah.
So let's
We are small, but we like to eat.
But Domino's has good flavor, yeah?
Yeah.
So good luck to you.
Thank you.
I'm next table, yes?
Garlic bread. Very yummy.
Well, peacefully.
What?
Yeah.
Peacefully?
Peacefully.
Tasty?
Tasty.
Oh. Nice, yeah? Garlic bread. Guys, there is no rules our mukbang. Rules is eat as much as you can.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will do to try more than bimbo.
Let's see. Let's see. Are you enjoying mukbang?
Yeah.
Okay, so keep eating, keep eating.
I'm really hungry, guys. I'm totally finished with pizza.
Let's see. I don't know. Because I'm older than him, I think I can beat him. I like more ketchup. Ang sarap magmukbang pala guys. Talagang after this, we will do exercise, yeah?
Because very heavy.
Yeah.
Heavy the
In
food.
the afternoon, we will walk, yeah? In the garden or the canal. So tomorrow, we're ready to eat again. This is first mukbang, me and Bayaw Karte. Yeah?
Yeah, this is the first challenge for me.
Yeah.
And I'm accepting the challenge.
Thank you to accept my challenge, Bayaw Karte. Yeah? Okay. Sarap ng pizza.
Guys, really enjoy this time. I'm so lucky for this.
Kartik said he's so lucky. I'm lucky too. Look. How many you eat? Two? Two. The same with me. Two. Oh, this. Anyway, I take my handkerchief. I'm ready.
I'm already happy.
You have handkerchief here?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Very big.
Good. Oh man. Sarap ng pizza. Oregano. So what you can say about Filipino?
Hello.
They get jealous with us, I think. Sorry guys, we are eating very delicious pizza from Domino's. They are not- it's not busy yet here. It's not busy yet.
Because holiday public day. Yeah.
Yeah. It's public holiday, yeah?
Yeah.
Today is Monday, guys. Kartik is day off. That's why I asked him challenge today. My God. Are you full?
No. I'm starting.
You just
But
starting?
now- Yeah.
Oh my God. Mapapasubo yata ako kay Bayaw Kartik. He said he is just starting. Ketchup. Eat. I think I can beat you. Look, this is my fourth time, I think.
I think so. Good eater, they eat slowly.
Really? Yeah, I noticed. Kartik is a slow eater, yeah? Even we are doing lunch, he always play. But he eats so many.
Yeah. Guys, I'm only two left and I'm very hungry.
Still hungry?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Not effect to my tummy.
No,
Yeah,
no.
no.
Effect to your tummy. Oh my
No,
God. Mapapasubo yata ako kay Bayaw Kartik. I got only 2 left as well, but I'm getting full na. Okay, Shama?
Getting full.
Yeah, but Kartik is want to order more?
Yes.
Which pizza you want?
Paneer makhni.
How about you? Let's see if I can get a little. But I'm getting full, look. Oh my
Guys,
You are
God.
giving up
you
from
got
I'm not
one,
giving up yet. I'm just, let's see. So order for him.
one paneer makhni.
And let's see if I finish this.
Alright.
Okay. Oh my God, guys. Mapapasubo na tayo kay Bayaw Kartik. he ordered again paneer makmir. Oh, let's see. I'm not giving up yet. Okay.
Diet and full concentration for pizza.
This garlic bread. Sorry.
Garlic bread, guys.
Habang nagtatagal ay talagang parang pahirap na lunukin ang pizza. Oh. First bite, you feel very hungry, yeah? But after look, this is one medium and I'm getting full.
But now I'm very hungry, guys.
Still hungry?
Yeah.
Still hungry.
Only one chapati for it. Early morning. So
Napapasubo yata tayo kay Bayo Kapit. He finished one box medium and still hungry. Kapit, cheers!
yes.
Cheers! Okay. So where is paneer? Where is paneer?
Order to come. Guys, this is the last.
Last,
Yeah.
our last, yeah?
Well done.
And then paneer is coming. Okay. Guys, please leave comment about our pizza mukbang. My Bayaw Kartik and Bimbo. Please leave comment. And please share as well. And don't forget to press like button, guys, yeah?
Yeah.
And also subscribe, yeah? Guys, please
Please support.
yeah, support and subscribe to our channel. So it's finished. Almost finished. One
Yeah.
box. Okay. So we don't know who will win yet
But
because
still on.
still on.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's
Paneer
see.
Makmi is coming, ha? Good luck with Paneer Makmi.
Paneer
Yeah.
Makmi.
Alright?
Mukbang is good competition because you're enjoying, you're getting full. But problem is to eat more. Oh my God, it's really difficult. Okay. Where is pizza?
So first round, you both are equal.
Both equal.
Both equal, you...
But still more garlic bread. Kartik will eat that later.
Yeah. I made the garlic bread.
My God.
So we'll wait for second one.
So guys, another pizza arrived for
Yes.
us.
Yeah.
This is
Oh, very big.
paneer makmir.
Paneer Makmi.
Paneer makmir.
Because look, it has cubes of paneer.
This is the paneer.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start na again. Bayo Kartik.
Yes.
Okay, you want ketchup? Ketchup. Oh, why they give this? I don't understand. There's so many.
So nice.
Okay.
Guys, I'm ready for challenge.
Still, we don't know who is winning. I want one. I just want to get one. Honestly, guys, I'm very full. I think this is for all Kartik. I just want to eat one. Let's see.
At very early stage, you give up.
No. I'm just helping him. Maybe after this, oh my God, very nice.
Very hot.
Very hot. My God. This is quite spicy pizza.
Spicy?
A little bit spicy for me.
Really?
But it's very hot. Still hot. My God. But it's yummy. Good blood.
Very spicy. Really.
Spicy, yeah? Yummy. I like this paneer. Very delicious.
And that tasteful.
Very tasty.
Tasty.
This is more delicious than the other one. What is the other one?
You try.
I forgot the name.
Now this is the paneer makhni.
But this is, I think, more delicious, yeah?
But very hot.
Nagkakalat. Because this is straight from the oven.
One.
And I like pizza when it's hot. It's nice to eat. You want kartik?
Yeah.
Ah. Kartik said this is his best day off. Imagine day off, he has to pizza.
Pizza.
So you're enjoying your day off.
Yeah.
I'm getting full.
No?
I'm getting full.
And slowly.
Slowly full?
Yeah.
Okay. But I think I'm giving up. I can't eat anymore.
I'm slowly full my stomach.
Really? I think guys, I'm full now. It's not. I want to eat more, but my tummy don't want to eat more.
You give up?
My mind want to eat more. My mouth, but my tummy, oh dear, no more. I think. So Kartik is still eating, but he said he is starting to get full as well. So let's see if he can finish this. Yeah, let's see. Guys, please like, share, and please leave comment about our pizza mukbang with my Bayaw Kartik. Very full.
Guys,
Kartik look full as well.
oh guys, I'm very full.
You're very full now?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my
How
God.
about this
Who
one?
will finish this? Huh? Okay, I will give you challenge. What? I will give you challenge.
What challenge?
How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you finish this, I will give you reward.
Really?
Yes, look guys. I will give you reward. So I will give Kartik 1,000 rupees because he's giving up now. But I give up already.
Oh my God.
To finish this, Kartik, 1,000 rupees. Are you accept the
Yeah,
challenge?
accept.
But if you don't finish this, you will give me 1,000.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's see. Oh my God, he's very lucky. He eat pizza.
Pizza and 1,000. Guys, I'm very lucky for the pizza and 1,000 and enjoyed the food. Very
1,000 reward.
good day for
Good holiday off.
holiday.
Oh my God. So let's see. You haven't
This
finished
need
it yet.
holiday off. This one and this one.
Swerte talaga si Bayo Kartik, oh. Pizza na, may kas pa. Saan ka pa nga naman? But I think he can win because look, 3 more left and he's full now. Let's
If
see.
you pull, don't force yourself.
Yeah, don't force yourself. Don't think this 1,000. Take your time. So guys, I'm given down. I'm full now. I lost my mukbang challenge for Bayaw Kartik. This time now, Kartik is thinking about 1,000. What time is it
Very
now?
spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy. But not too spicy, yeah? Not too spicy. It's 12:30 now, guys. It's lunchtime now here in India. So Kartik, finish this.
Yeah,
Almost
this is my last
finished.
pizza. Okay.
So are you really full? Kartik is really full.
From his eyes, I can see he has lots of tears.
But he wants to win 1,000 rupees, so he accept the challenge. Look, only few left. You can do the challenge. Come on. 1,000 rupees.
This is alright.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. It's alright. Yeah.
No, you can. This is challenge. Oh, yeah. Why? Because if he don't eat all, no 1,000. Oh my God. So how is the challenge? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy
Yeah.
mukbang? Okay.
Very enjoy.
Very enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Imagine, very full tummy and win money. If you don't want to eat this, don't worry.
Still you are winner.
Yeah, still you're the winner. Kartik is what's this? Struggling now to eat.
Just it's alright.
I thought he will eat 4 boxes.
It's very heavy.
It's very heavy, yeah? When you eat and then you get very full. But I'm expecting he will eat like 3 boxes. My capacity only, guys, is 1. Just
It's
1.
okay.
Yeah. So, you finished?
Yeah.
Congratulations, Kartik. Congratulations. Okay, here is your 200, 100, 500, and 200 again, 1,000 rupees.
Thank you, Bimbo. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you guys.
Oh my God, it was very unforgettable experience, this
Yeah.
mukbang. Oh my God, very, very
my,
good.
my first experience for the pizza.
For pizza.
Yeah.
You enjoy it. Of course, you enjoy. You win 1,000 rupees.
1,000 rupees and eating
Yes.
and sleeping.
Sleeping. This afternoon we will walk. Yeah, for exercise. Okay guys, thank you for watching our mukbang challenge. Me and my Bayo Kartik. We really enjoyed. We are full now. Please continue to support Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Keep following us on Facebook page and Instagram.